Hello everyone. I hope all of you are great. It feels even more happier because it's that time of the year jahan pe we are all ready to welcome the new year. And whenever we talk about new year, it comes with new energies, new zeal, new aims, new aspirations. And here we are, creating a new gateway to your dreams. Yes, Drishti Judiciary is coming up with its all new comprehensive APO exam preparation course. APO exam, yes, the Assistant Prosecution Officer exam preparation course, and it is going to be a comprehensive course. As I said, comprehensive, it is going to be an all-in-one course in which basically हम आपको सारी चीजें देंगे जो कि एक प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफिसर बनने के लिए जरूरी है. So basically in this video I will be guiding you as to how to prepare for APO exams, and basically I would be focusing upon why you should join this course. As in, I will be talking about the star highlights of this course. As I said, new year comes with new aims. And any one of you, अगर कोई aspirant है जो APO Assistant Prosecution Officer बनने के लिए आपका एक aim है, एक aspiration है, then we have this all new course in which we will be guiding you as to how to become a part of the criminal justice administrative system. So basically we have all read about APO, the role, the responsibilities of a prosecution officer, specifically talking about the Assistant Prosecution Officer. We have all read about it. जब हम CRPC पढ़ते हैं या फिर the all new भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता, the BNSS, वहां पे हम पढ़ते हैं that what are the roles and responsibilities of APO, that is the appointment of APO, the responsibilities as to the pre-trial responsibility, the trial its responsibilities, etc. And we exactly know how a prosecution officer contributes towards the criminal justice system. And because of that, we also aspire to become a part of it. We also aspire to establish our career as a prosecution officer. And that is why we have actually come up with an all new course. Basically, it is a detailed course specifically designed for those who are preparing for these examinations. और जैसा हम इतने सारे previous years में हमने notice किया है, we have witnessed that along with judiciary, the scope for the APO exams and the competition for the APO exams is also increasing at a great pace. Because again, every year we see number of vacancies. जैसे कि judiciary exam में number of vacancies आती हैं, वैसे ही we can witness number of vacancies in the APO exams, including the vacancies for APO in CBI, the vacancies for APO in NIA, and again the vacancies for APO in several states. So जैसे judiciary के लिए हमें एक फुल फ्लेजेड डेडिकेटेड प्रिपरेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, वैसे ही APO के लिए भी एक फुल फ्लेजेड डेडिकेटेड प्रिपरेशन या फिर एज आई ऑलवेज से स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. एंड दिस कोर्स इज गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड दैट स्ट्रैटेजिक प्लानिंग टू यू. Basically, it is going to be a general common comprehensive course which includes the common subjects or the common topics of all those subjects which are basically commonly asked in each and every state APO exam. We will not be focusing upon only one state, rather we will be focusing upon all the Hindi speaking states. Yes, Hindi speaking, because again, along with the law subjects, we will also be dealing with the language. That I am going to tell you when I'll be telling you about the key highlights of the program. So basically, you are going to find this course on the Drishti Learning app. Again, that requires registration and enrollment. But the name of the course is Comprehensive APO, Exam Preparation Course. And it is going to be a 1-year course. Yes, this is going to be a 1-year comprehensive course. और अभी हमने बात करी कि APO के roles and responsibilities, as we are all well versed with it. So basically, APO exam के लिए भी, just like judiciary, it contains various stages which includes primarily prelims and mains, to be specific. And again, when we talk about prelims and mains, तो अगर prelims की बात करें तो prelims requires thorough reading of the Bayer Act, which is again a thing which requires a proper strategy for the same. Because Bayer Act reading is also not very easy for the students. Because again, जब आपको Bayer Act पढ़ना होता है तो कितने सारे students को ये नहीं पता है कि Bayer Act में से from where to read, what to read, and do we have to read the complete Bayer Act, or we can avoid the gray areas, that is those areas जहां से questions generally नहीं आते हैं. If yes, then what are those areas जिसको हम एक तरीके से what we can just skip. So basically it requires, basically see, competitive exams की जब तैयारी करते हैं, so it requires a smart study plan in which we have to make our study plan which is specifically exam oriented. And ये exam oriented study plan या strategy बनाने के लिए a right guidance is something which is of vital importance, or which is very vital for your preparation. So for that only, specifically guiding you with the Bayer Act reading, with the illustrations, with the practical applications of those provisions, with the solving of MCQs. Again, when we talk about mains में guiding you with the answer writing, the different types of mains questions which are asked in the exam, like we have theoretical questions, we have practical questions. So guiding you with each and every kind of mains questions which can be asked in the examination. Also, when we talk about mains, something which is of utmost importance is conceptual clarity. And that is what we are always known for. Because we always ensure that our classes are not only based upon the legal theoretical knowledge, rather we always delve into the concept so deep that it gives a crystal clarity of that particular concept to the students. Students के लिए, as I always say, कि एक topic को इस तरीके से समझाया जाता है that it covers the entire topic exhaustively. A 360-degree study of a particular topic is going to be done. So just like judiciary, in APO exams also, we will be ensuring upon the conceptual clarity and the practical application as to guiding the students that how to apply the law upon the facts, giving the reasoning for the same and guiding them as to how to handle the cases in the courts practically. So that is going to be the structure of this particular program. Again, this program consists of detailed classes. So basically, all in all, it is going to be 800 plus hours of a detailed program, जहां पे 800 plus hours की आपको detailed classes दी जाएंगी. These classes will be covering the major syllabus or the important subjects which are in the curriculum of the APO exams. Some of them are basically, again, when we talk about APO, when we talk about the prosecution officer exams, मेजर फोकस, एज वी ऑल नो कि उसमें मेजर फोकस जो होता है एग्जामिनेशन का, द पैटर्न, it is basically majorly focused upon the criminal laws. And in criminal laws, we have the latest development because we have our own three new criminal laws: BNSS, BNS and BSA. So basically, हम जो ये course plan लेके आ रहे हैं, इसमें we will be focusing upon all the laws with a special focus upon the three new criminal laws. And when we talk about focusing upon the three new criminal laws, I mean focusing upon the new laws, but again comparing the new provision with the old provisions. हमारा फोकस, हमारा एम्फेसिस न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज पे रहेगा, बट अगेन along with the new one, we will also be focusing upon a comparative study of BNS and IPC, BNSS and CRPC and BSA with the Evidence Act. For example, जैसे कि dealing with BNSS for example. So section 173 of BNSS, it contains the provisions for FIR, which is again one of the most important topic of your syllabus. So basically there is a major change when we talk about the concept of FIR. That earlier there used to be a concept of zero FIR, which has now directly or indirectly has been done away with. Because the words that are written there are irrespective of the area that where the offense has been committed. तो जब हम आपको FIR पढ़ाएंगे तो हमारा फोकस जो होगा मेजरली, प्राइमरली द फोकस विल बी ऑन सेक्शन 173 ऑफ BNSS. But again, we will be, because there is a major change, conceptual change. So we will be comparing section 173 BNSS with section 154 of CRPC, focusing upon the concept of zero FIR along with major judgments. So that is how we are going to deal with the three new criminal laws. So apart from the three new criminal laws, we will also be focusing upon the special laws. For example, the Juvenile Justice Act, the POCSO Act, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, Probation of Offenders Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, PCPNDT Act, the Explosive Substances Act, the Right to Information Act, the NDPS Act, etc. Along with that, we will also be covering the language portion, but only Hindi and English. और language portion, that is Hindi and English, हम इसीलिए cover कर रहे हैं because we will be focusing upon the syllabus of various states APO exam जहां पे हिंदी और English language होती है. So basically it covers the syllabus of MP, UP, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Himachal, Haryana. So basically these are the states जहां पे हिंदी, English language portion आपके APO में होता है. Basically we will not be covering the specific local languages, the regional languages of various state. इसीलिए our focus will be upon the major Hindi speaking states. So basically these are the states. So basically Hindi English language का portion भी इसमें cover होगा. As I said that it is a comprehensive program. Other than the class knowledge and basically covering all these subjects and the lectures dealt by the expert faculties, we will also be conducting regular mock tests. So regular mock tests will be conducted, and as I just mentioned, mock test. Mock का मतलब ही होता है lookalike. So आपके जो टेस्ट होंगे, it will be based upon the pattern, the same pattern, exactly same manner, exactly same pattern जो कि actually आपके APO के एग्जाम में आता है. So basically mock test will be around 30 mock tests will be conducted in this entire plan. So it contains mock test. Not just conducting mock test, also after conducting the mock test, we will be giving a regular feedback to the students as to the performance of that particular student. telling about or focusing about the weaker areas so that the student gets an insight as to what are the weaker areas that he has to focus upon. Also, we should also keep a track, because we always do. We always keep a track of the performance of the students so that we can also focus upon the students in a personal or a customized manner basically. So basically, mock test, lectures by the expert faculties, and lectures include the lectures of all the important subjects, majors, special, the language portion. Also, in some states there are local laws which are asked. कुछ states में APO के एग्जाम में just like judiciary local laws भी पूछे जाते हैं. So what we will be doing is local laws भी cover किए जाएंगे. So as and when the notification of any state is announced, तभी से we will be starting with the lectures of the local laws of that particular state. So the local laws will also be covered in this 1-year comprehensive plan. So as and when the notification is out, we will also be coming up with the state specific test series of that particular state. So the pattern of that particular test series will be exactly the same जो कि उस state में exam का होता है. So state specific test series भी launch की जाएंगी जब जैसे ही notification किसी state का out होगा. As we all know कि राजस्थान is conducting the APO exam and it is going to be conducted in the month of January itself. So इसीलिए see APO notifications are also going to be announced, and as we are approaching the new year, so ऐसे में we all can expect that all states are going to be coming up with their respective vacancies for the judicial services examination or for the APO examinations. And being a law student, we should always keep our scope open. And for that, not just judiciary, we should also try to become a part of this side of the justice administrative system, that is the APO exams, by clearing the APO exams or by establishing a career as a prosecution officer. So basically that is the highlight about the entire course. And one more important feature that I just told you, I would just like to repeat it, that the focus of this course would not just be upon the theoretical knowledge, rather the practical application is something that is always ensured. We always ensure in all our classes that the student should not only get to read the Bayer Act. Just Bayer Act reading is not the only goal, or it's not only sufficient for the ultimate success. What is sufficient, what is required for the ultimate success is a 360-degree, a strategic preparation as to the law, reading what is the law, and parallel way mein applying the law is also something which is very important. As we have already seen कि इतने सालों में over the years, now the exam pattern, the exam trend, be it judiciary, be it APO, दोनों ही fields में exam का जो trend है, जो questions का trend है, it's changing continuously. So earlier there used to be direct questions, prelims में भी, mains में भी, but then now we have witnessed and we are witnessing a change, or basically a distraction, a diversion from the direct questions to the analytical or practical questions. So that is the reason why we always focus upon the practical application aspect. That is something which is very important for a student, and it comes with the guidance. So basically that is all about our APO course. Please enroll for it. And again, as I mentioned कि हम ये नया कोर्स नए साल से शुरू कर रहे हैं. So the commencement date of this course is going to be 27th of January 2025. So, new year. Let's start this year with setting new targets, setting new goals, new aims, new dreams, and working towards achieving these targets, these goals, these dreams together. So that is all that I wanted to share with you regarding our all new comprehensive APO exam preparation course. So again, I hope to see you soon, very soon. That is all about today's video. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you so much.